So now the next inspection we're going to do is called the exhaust system. So the way we're going to inspect the exhaust system is, the first thing you do is we're going to go inside the truck and we're going to start the truck. So once the truck is started, then you're going to make sure your fan motor is on full. We're going to change the temperature to heat, and we're going to change the setting to the defrost mode. So make sure the air is blowing up front to your windshield. Once these settings are done, make sure your windows and the doors are closed properly. So if the windows are open, you roll them up. And then after this, we're going to head outside. So now, we're going to open the hood. On this truck, the exhaust system is right here. So that's where it starts from. So we're gonna say my exhaust pipe has no cracks, no damages, and there's no smell or any leaks. Then we're gonna follow the exhaust pipe. So my exhaust pipe under the cab, there's no cracks, no damages, and there's no exhaust leaks. My exhaust pipe in the back, there's no cracks, no damages, and there's no exhaust leaks. My muffler, so this is your muffler, no cracks, no damages, and there's no exhaust leaks, no smell. My shield, this is a heat shield, so my heat shield is mounted properly and there's no cracks, no damages. The upper part of my exhaust system, there's no cracks, no damages, and it's mounted properly. Once that is complete, now we're going to head back inside. Okay, so once we're seated inside, we're going to close the doors, make sure the windows are rolled up and all doors are closed. And we sit inside for 10 to 15 seconds. And you go, there's no exhaust leak or any smells inside. After that, you can turn off the truck, and now we're going to read major and minor. So once all that is complete, we go exhaust system. Exhaust leak outside. It's a minor defect. We'll write that in the logbook. We'll call the owner, and I can still drive the truck. Leak that causes exhaust gas to enter the occupant compartment. This is a major defect. We'll write that in the logbook, call the owner, and we cannot drive that truck.